Guys, launching a meme coin on pump.fun does not work no more. This does not work. It's impossible. You're not going to make money. You're just going to lose money. Look, creation time. I'm sat here, look. Creation, these are all the coins that have been created, look. Created. 9 seconds, 20 seconds. Guys, if you think this is still possible, you must be dumb. Because there's so many coins. This is literally impossible. Look. Let me just click on a random coin. Look, this coin, to get onto Radium, get onto deck screen so more people can buy it, has to reach all the way up here. Do you think that's going to happen? No, of course it's not going to happen. Because this coin is a bad idea. No one cares about this coin. This is pump.fun. It's too saturated. There's too many people doing this. But there's a method that not a lot of people are doing right now. You have to take advantage of it while you still can throughout the next 2 to 3 months, 4 months maybe if you're lucky. But yeah, you have to take advantage of it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. Guys, if I don't have to tell you, this is educational purposes only. It's simple as that. Just, yeah, use your brain, guys. Educational purposes only. Read all this real fast, guys. But yeah, without further ado. Alright, so I'm looking through deck screen right now. Look, we'll look at trending. Last 24 hours, let's see what's been trending recently. OOPEX Launchpad, Automatic Treasure Machine, Infinite Money Glitch, Goose Shouts Quack, all these random stuff, right? You just need to spot the token. XAI, this is performing extremely well, is it? No, I'm pretty sure this is, yeah. Guys, no coins, if a coin looks like this, it's a rug pull. Do not invest in a coin that look like, guys, look at this, come on. What is this? Don't invest in a coin like that. But people are stupid and people will invest in a coin like that. And that's what we're taking advantage of, guys. But look, Kanye West seems to be all in the news recently, look. Kanye West, look at all these news. Kanye West, his wife did that stunt, obviously, fucking whore, but no, guys, cut that out, wait. Alright, so guys, obviously, you just want to see what's trending right now, look. Kanye West was at the Grammys, I'm pretty sure, and his wife did that thing, so you could make a coin on that, you could make a coin on Kanye West's wife, and then, if Kanye West says something about a wife, your coin's going to blow up. So basically, it's that simple, guys. Look, reverse, could make Uno reverse, could make a coin like that. It's that simple. Just find a coin that's trending, guys. It's that simple. Real quickly as well, guys, I just want to show you why this method actually works. Look, if you go to newest, new pairs, and you click newest, it'll show you all these pairs. Look, and if we do this as well, filter by, where is it? All platforms, Solana, save. Look, it'll show you all the Solana coins that have been made. Guys, look. In the last look. 1, 2, 3, look. In the last 10 minutes, look how many coins have been made. All them. Not that many coins compared to pump.fun. This is how we stand out. There'll be like quite a decent amount of people, maybe 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 people looking at this screen right now, waiting for a coin to be made. Look, TikTok, justice for TikTok. Or, look, sheep, look, just think, look. You just pick any of these coins, basically. Justice for sheep, this was launched, and you just think, alright, I'm just going to buy this. This is a rug pull as well, guys, I can tell it's 50 seconds old. It's already at 51k liquidity, this is a rug pull. But yeah, people could buy this, because people are sat waiting on the screen, waiting for a good idea. And then they jump in, and then they just ape it. It's simple as that, guys. Alright, guys, so now we want to add the profile picture, and we need a description for the coin. So I'm going to make a coin about GTA 6, I've decided. And look, if we go to images, we just get a random GTA 6 PFP. This is what you type, GTA 6 PFP. If you guys are doing a coin about Squid Game, type Squid Game PFP. And then just find a good profile picture that you can use. And I'm thinking literally nice and simple like this. Copy that, go to Canva, click create design, custom size, type 500 by 500. Make sure it's 500 by 500 or this won't work pretty much, guys. So just click create new design. And here we go. You just click Control V or whatever your button is, and then just like that, guys, I'm going to move it to the middle, and I have my profile. Now I'm going to download this, to download this. Look how nice this looks, guys. I might even make the background a different colour. Yeah, I'm going to make the background black, that looks nicer. Then just click share, then just click download, and then download. So we have our thing, we have the logo. Now we just want to go to ChatGPT and type this exact prompt. Make me a description about my meme coin, which is about GTA 6. Make it fun and 5 words max. There we go, and it'll give us a nice short description. GTA 6 vibes, meme coin magic. There we go. Literally, guys, the description does not have to be anything fancy. This is good enough. Nice and short, nice and perfect. So we have our description. I'm just going to copy that. And there we go. The next step is to actually launch the meme coin. So, alright guys, so you just want to head over to this website right here. The link will be in the description. You can use different website, guys, but please, guys, because do not come crying to me when your wallet gets drained. Do not come crying to me when you get scammed, because I have way too many people messaging me saying, oh, I used a different website, but I got scammed. So guys, use the website. I've linked it in the description. Don't go through any other links or you'll probably get scammed. Without further ado, just click create token. And obviously, guys, I'm doing an example right here. I'm just going to type random shit, random symbol. But guys, for your name, you want to do, say, making a coin about GTA 6, you want to do, for your name, GTA 6. And for the symbol, you might just want to do GTA, like, GTA 6, well, the exact same thing. For the name, you might want to do Grand Theft Auto 6. For the symbol, you might want to do GTA 6. If you get what I mean, it's just a short abbreviation, basically. I'm going to upload the image. You upload your image, guys, that you made. I'm just uploading a random image. And then for the supply, you want to do 9 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's our supply. 9 zeros. Now for the description is, we just want to do the description that we got earlier. I'm just going to spam some random stuff because obviously I actually making a coin. I'm just showing you guys the example on how to do it. Create a name, guys. Let me explain this. If you guys have the budget to do this, I do recommend doing it because your coin will perform better. But if you don't have the budget, don't do it until you have the budget. Don't do it. So if you have the budget, do it. So I'm just going to do for create a name, I'm just going to spam it. Then for the create website, say you're making a coin about GTA 6, you can do your create a website. Maybe make it Rockstar Games, rockstargames.com, the actual website. And there you go. Simple as that. You can turn this off. That's optional. You don't need to do that. That's not visible. It is visible, but it's very hard to see. So here we go. Revoke freeze, revoke mint, revoke up. That basically makes it so everyone will think your coin looks legit and your coin will look perfect. So yeah, just create token. There we go. We've got the transaction. Just click, wait for it to load. There we go. Confirm. There we go. And now it's just going to create the token. It'll take about 20 to 30 seconds to do this. But as I wait, guys, I just want to say, this might seem like a lot, but this is a small price to pay for the amount of success you're going to get from this. Like I said, it seems like a lot, but you're going to make it all back. You're going to make triple that, quadruple that. You'll see in a minute, guys. I'll play some footage of me doing it. But after this, we just want to add liquidity. So I'm just going to wait for the token to be made. I'm not going to cut this, guys, because I want you to see how it is made. It's not a scam, guys, because most websites like this are scams. They'll just steal your money and they won't give you anything. But this website is a scam, and I want to make sure you guys know. So I'm just going to wait patiently. Oh, creating token. I might even read a book while I wait. Here we go. Token created successfully. Now, if we check our wallet, if we go to our wallet, Phantom, scroll down, yep, it took the Solana, and there we go. We have the token we just created. You will have your token. Yours will save with your profile and whatever you made. It'll have your token, but obviously, I'm not using my token. I'm just using this. So yeah. Now we're going to add liquidity. Alright, so you just want to click liquidity pool. This is the easiest part, guys. Connect your wallet, make sure your wallet's connected. Here we go. So I'm just going to click the token that I just made. Obviously, I've just spammed a few tokens. Here we go. So you just want to type. So you just want to click. You see here. That's the total supply. 5% of that will actually be 900,000,000,000. And pretty much, guys, that'll just, yeah, that's 90% of the token going into liquidity. That's what we want. And for the quote token, we just want to select Solana as well. We can add 0.5, we can add 0.1. Well, no, I recommend adding 1 Solana. If possible, add 1 Solana. 1 to 4 Solana works best. Anything below that will work, anything above that. I mean, the more Solana, the better, really. So here we go, I'm just going to add 1 Solana. Click create liquidity pool. Bam. Then it'll give you the 30,000 unknown tokens. And that'll basically, that's what you need for removing the liquidity later on. Alright, so guys, you just want to open your wallet, as simple as this. And you want to scroll down until you find your token. Obviously, you'll have your liquidity and you'll have this token. You want to click on this token, do exactly what I just did just then. And you want to click copy the SPL token address. And now you have the token address, just click on any random Solana meme coin and put your address there instead. So as you can see, our token will pop up. So here we go, our token's been up for like not long. Let me full screen it. So look, obviously you need to wait because it's going to take about 5 minutes until it starts getting traction. But as we wait for that, we just want to wait for the buyers to start rolling in. Look guys, someone just bought $54. Someone just sold 1 penny. Obviously, you just want to just chill, see what happens. It's going to go up, it'll go down. You just want to wait about 10-15 minutes until you like fully sell. And then that's when you want to take profit. Look, if we have a look at the, here's the minute time frame. This has been out for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and then I'm going to sell. Alright guys, so as I'm watching the coin go up right now, what I actually want to do is I want to tell you guys exactly why this worked. Because obviously there is reasons why this worked. Like, let me just pull up deck screen. Look, so this works. The reason this works in particular is pretty much because if you go to deck screen, there's a new pairs. Like look, someone else just bought $30 worth. Look, if you go to deck screen, there's a new pairs. And look, the newest, like I said, we're appearing on here. So we'll be on there. People are watching the full front page and they'll see our good coin. And then since people see ours, they're going to buy our coin. And then when they're buying our coin, we wait until it gets high enough, and then when it gets high enough, we just remove liquidity and get all the liquidity from it. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for a bit, and before people sell, obviously I want to remove the liquidity and take what's mine. So to remove liquidity, you just want to head over back to the Easy Coin Launch website, click Manage Liquidity and click Remove Liquidity, and then there we go. We'll have what we're just thinking, and you just want to copy and paste this amount right there. Just click withdraw, and as you can see, guys, we're putting 1 sol, and look, we can take out 7 sol just like that in a matter of 20 minutes. We've finessed at least 6 sol. So I'm just going to